today's installment, we are restoring my carpet. So this is before and it's after. This is driver's side with this from O'Reilly's. It's about 1 can so far. It's pretty good. This is ignore my dirty interior, but this is I'm be cleaning all this after. It says you can spray the seats, but I don't know if I want to do the seats. I don't know, maybe I'll get another day. I'm about to, I think tomorrow I'm gonna start working on putting on this. It's been too long of not putting this on. Again, here's another look of before and after. This is not gonna be show car, no nothing, this is just be daily, so I don't really care about anything like that's not visible from the seat. I just mainly care about just changing it, and I don't know. It's actually fairly simple to take out your carpet. You just take out your two seats here, and then you undo the foot panel over here. You take out your center console, and then you just start tearing it up, or not tearing it up, but like taking it out, and it's actually not that hard, really. So this is how far one can got me. I almost got done. Oh, at least I got a second one. Time to finish it up. It's gonna look so good. Remember, it's vinyl fabric. Last minute decision, I decided to take off my roof liner and do this so it matches with that. Here we go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I put this seat in. It's looking a lot better. Still haven't done headliners over there and the paint, but yeah, looks so much better.